Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to activate La Banque Postale card. First, unlock your phone and open the La Banque Postale mobile app. Make sure you are connected to the internet so everything loads properly. Once the app opens, you will see the login screen. Here, enter your identifier ID and your password in the required fields. Take your time to type the details correctly, then tap on the Sign In button to continue. After signing in, you will land on the home page of the app. This is where you can access all your banking features. Look around the screen until you find the option labeled Accounts and Cards. It is usually easy to spot in the main menu. Tap on Accounts and Cards to proceed. You will now see a list of your linked accounts and cards. From this list, select the card that you want to activate. Once you tap on your card, the app will open a page showing its details. Scroll down if needed. If your card is not activated yet, you will see an activation button at the bottom of the screen. Tap on the activation button. The app will now guide you through a few simple steps. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully to complete the process. After finishing these steps, your card should be activated and ready to use. Thanks for watching.